Is your Jaguar key fob not working? The most common issues are a dead battery or loss of synchronization with the vehicle. First, replace the battery. Most Jaguar fobs use a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell. Pry open the fob with a small flat screwdriver and carefully replace the battery, ensuring correct polarity. Avoid generic batteries, as voltage mismatches can cause damage. If battery replacement doesn't work, try resynchronizing the fob. With the car off, simultaneously hold the lock and unlock buttons for 3 to 5 seconds until the lights flash, then start the engine. For newer models, the Jaguar In Control app offers a wireless resync option. To prevent future desynchronization, keep your fob away from metal objects and sources of electromagnetic interference. If battery replacement and resyncing don't work, the problem might be with the comfort module, the ECU that manages keyless functions. Start by checking the comfort module fuse. Locate the fuse box, either under the hood or in the glove compartment, and check the 15-8 fuse associated with the comfort module. If it's blown, replace it with a new 15-8 fuse. If the fuse is intact or blows again immediately, there may be a deeper electrical issue. A diagnostic scan using Jaguar's tool or a dealership scan can reveal error codes like B1B00 for key fob mismatch or C1A67 for module communication error. As a last resort, try resetting the entire system by disconnecting the vehicle's battery for 10 minutes. For persistent issues, especially in 2022-2024 models, check for recalls related to comfort module vulnerabilities, often due to water ingress.